Hi, I'm Tasman, and today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to make a repairing face jelly using the Create Cosmetic Formulas program. First, log in and select the Skin and Hair Care program, and then click on the gel build, and then click Create. First, I'm going to add a chelating agent, and I'm going to select the disodium EDTA. Next are my actives. And I'm going to select the Dermapeptide Revitalizing Active. This is good for increasing collagen reproduction and also to revitalize the skin. And I'm also going to select the Hydrolyzed Wheat Protein, as this provides moisture protection and also barrier repair. Next, I'm going to select my added extras. And I'm going to select the elderweed extract, and also the kawa extract. For my humectant, I'm going to select the propane diol. Next is my gum, and I'm going to select the xanthan gum. And I do want this to be quite viscous and jelly-like, so I'm going to select the highest input. Next is my solubilizer. And I'm going to select the Polysugarmoles D9. Next is my lipids. And I'm going to select the Tamanu oil, as this is nourishing to the skin. For my essential oil, I'm going to go with the frankincense. Next is my antioxidant. And I'm going to pick the tocopherols mixed. And last but not least is my preservative. And I'm going to select the Yuxil PE9010. And then click on Generate Method. And there we have a full formula method, and now it's time to get into the lab. And that's how easy it is to make a repairing face jelly using the Create Cosmetic Formulas program. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, leave any questions in the comments below, and make sure you subscribe to createcosmeticformulas.com so you can get making your own face jelly. Happy formulating!